Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel Samuel Flying Birds. Today we are going to discuss about 10th class mathematics chapter 2 sets. In the previous class we have discussed about real numbers and all the related problems based on real numbers. In this class we are going to study about sets. Coming to the introduction, what is a set? A set is a group of collection of objects or numbers considered as an entity unto itself, or it is also called as a set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. The object is in a set are called elements. A set are written by enclosed all its elements between the brackets. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. It is called set of first 5 prime numbers. A sets are usually symbolized by uppercase, italics, boldface letters such as A, B, S or Z. Each object or number in a set is called a member of element of the set. Coming to the common symbols used in a set theory. Symbols save time, save space when we write the set. For the first column, we have symbols, in the second meaning of the symbol, and in the third with an example. All the three categories are here for us to get a clear detail about the set theory. Coming to the first one, with a closed flower bracket, we call it as set. Set a collection of elements. For the example 1, 2, 3, 4. For the second one, A union B. The meaning is union in A or B or both. Example C union D can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A intersection B. Intersection in both A and B. For the example C intersection D 3 and 4. In the union we are considering all the elements which are in the set of A and B. Suppose a set of A contains 1, 2, 3, 4. A set B contains 5. Then the A union B can be written as C union D in the form of example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If A intersection B, we need to consider the common term in both the set. Here B is considered as 3, 4, 5. So we know that the common term in A and B are 3 and 4. So we call it as intersection. The subset A subset B. Subset every element of A is in B. We can write it as 3, 4, 5 is subset of D. Subset is a common term which is in both the sets or the elements which are present in both the set. A proper subset B. Proper subset. Every element or of A is in B. For the example, 3 and 5 is a proper subset of D. A not a subset B. Not a subset. A is not a subset of B. For the example, 1 and 6 is not a subset of C. A superset B. Superset is called as A has same elements as B or more. We call it as, for example, 1, 2, 3 is a superset of 1, 2, 3. Both the sets are similar. For the next one, A proper superset B. Proper superset is called as A has B's elements and more. For the example, 1, 2, 3, 4 is a proper superset of 1, 2, 3. For the next one, A is not a superset B. Not a superset means A is not a superset of B. For the example, 1, 2, 6 is not a superset of 1 and 9. A complement can be written as A uppercase C. Complement means elements not in A. Suppose, for example, D complement, we write it as 1, 2, 6, 7 when union equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. 5, 6, 7 is given in the union, but the complement is D complement is 1, 2, 6, 7. A minus B. It is a difference in A but not in B. We write it as example 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 3, 4 is equal to 1 and 2. A belongs to A. Element of, we call it as element of A is in A. Suppose, for example, 3 belongs to the set of A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, B not element A. We write it as element not element A. Okay, not element is means B is not in A. 6 is not element of 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, empty set or a null set. Empty set is with an empty set of closed brackets. We can write for an example 1, 2 intersection 3, 4 is equal to an empty set. U. It is written as universal set. Set of all possible values in the area of interest. It may be any area like numbers, alphabets, or symbolic or italic boldface. Okay. For the next one, P of A. P of A is written as power set. All subjects of A. P of A. P of set A, it is written as P of 1, 2 equal to null set. It may be null set 1, 2 or 1 and 2. A is equal to B. Equality means both set have the same member. We can write it as, for example, 3, 4, 5 is equal to 5, 3, 4. A cross B. We can write it as Cartesian product. Set of order pairs from A and B. We write it as a set of A and B in the form of, for the given example, 1 and 2 cross 3 and 4. We can write 1, 3, 1, 4 and 2, 3, 2, 4 as 4 sets from the A and B set. Modulus A. We can write it as coordinality, the number of element of a set A. Modulus 3 Modulus A can be written as, for example, 3 and 4 is equal to 2. There are two elements in the set of A such that it is written by two semicolon dots. In a closed flower bracket, we can write it as n such that n is greater than 0 equal to 1, 2, 3, so on. Such that it can be written as two dotted lines such that, for an example, n such that n is greater than 0 or 1, 2, 3, so on. For all can be written as inverted V, not inverted V. For all, it means for all. For example, for all x is greater than 1 or x square is greater than x. Reverse E symbol. There exists. It means it exists something present in it. Exist into 1 square 1 exist into such that exist x such that x square is greater than x. Therefore, we know that therefore is written by three dotted triangular shaped symbol. A equal to B, therefore B is equal to A. Capital N can be written as natural numbers. A set of 1, 2, 3, 4 or a set of 0, 1, 2, 3, so on is called as a natural number. 0 or a Z is a symbol of integers. We can write it as, for example, for minus 3, 2, so on, for minus infinity to plus infinity including 0, we write it in a form of set. For example, minus infinity, so on, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, plus infinity. It is a form of integers in a set. Q is called as rational number. Now coming to the first topic in a set. What is a roster form and set builder form? We need to study what is a roster form. First we will know how to write the roster form by an example. A is a set of quadrilaterals with at least two equal sides. We need to write a set of quadrilaterals which consist at least two equal sides. We can write Q equal to, I am considering a set as capital Q. So Q equal to square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, kite, isosceles, trapezium and dot. We are writing a set by listing the elements in it. In such case, the set is said to be a roster form. Coming to the set builder form, we write a set by defining its elements with a common property. We can say that set is a set builder form. For example, A is a set of multiples of 3 less than 20, then A equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and this is roster form of the set A. We can write this roster form into a set builder form as A equal to, in a closed bracket we write it as x such that x is a multiple of 3, comma, x is less than 20. As I have read the following expression, here we need to know how to read the expression. we read this set as A is the set of element x such that x is a multiple of 3 and x is less than 20. The set is represented in the given form in the table. For example, we are considering the first one. Write the following set in roster form. There is a set given in a set builder form. We are writing it in a roster form. B equal to first one, B equal to x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. We need to write the natural number which are smaller than 6. The second one is E equal to x such that x is an alphabet in the word given better, better. We can write it as B equal to, for the first one, I am writing the natural number smaller than 6. B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the second one, he asks that x is an alphabet in better. In the word better, we write it as E equal to BETR. In the alphabetical order, we need to write the expression for the given question. Today, we learnt about what is a set and the elements or a symbol considered in the set theory and the first topic of roster and set builder form. In the next class, we are going to study about Venn diagrams and its related problems. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and